So you have a Samsung Galaxy S26 and you have an issue where the screen is frozen or unresponsive. You're not able to swipe. You try to restart or power off the standard way. You can't bring up this menu, or you tap on restart, power off, and the display just doesn't work. Anyway, if you have a frozen screen, what you want to do is force a restart. Okay, so let's pretend I have a frozen screen here. What we want to do is press and hold two buttons, a volume down and power button. We want to press and hold both buttons at the same time and count to 10 seconds and then let go. We'll do it together. Pretend my phone here is frozen, volume down, power, ready, go. Press and hold and ignore what's on my screen and just count to 10 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go ahead and let go. And now just wait until your phone boots back up. It might take up to 20 seconds. If after 20 seconds it didn't turn back on, then press and hold that power button, okay? So we're still waiting here. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 seconds. Oh wow, mine didn't do it, didn't turn on. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and press and hold that power button. Just hold it for like 30 seconds, that's fine. And now wait for it to boot back up now. Let's give it some time. Come on. What do you know? Now let it boot back up. And we are back in business. Pretty simple.